I took the GoPro Hero 9 with me to Central Park in New York City, and gave it a shot. Took various videos, 4K videos, 1080p videos. I tried the 5K video, which came out nice, but when I tried to transfer it over to the computer, the it wasn't playing. The video codec had some issues, so I deleted the 5K footage. But I got some 4K footage and I got 1080p footage. So definitely show you guys what I got. And I took some pictures with the 20 megapixel camera that's on the GoPro Hero 9. So definitely show you how those pictures came out. And it's a really awesome action cam. It's my first action cam. I've never had a action cam before, and I'm looking forward to really using the GoPro Hero 9. I ordered an e-bike, electric XP e-bike that hasn't arrived yet, but once I get it, I definitely plan to use it a lot, and I want to use the GoPro, for doing time lapses and just riding. I have the chest mount, I have the helmet mount, the head mount. I even have a wrist mount, which is pretty cool. So I definitely plan to get creative with the GoPro. But I thought I'd make this video today. It was a beautiful day today in Central Park in New York City. It was about 70 degrees, so definitely wanted to take advantage of the weather and make some videos. So just getting started with the channel. So definitely check me out. Looking to make a lot of content that could be beneficial, will be beneficial to people that would like to become content creators as well. I'm starting from the very beginning, so this is the very beginning, but I have high hopes and willing to put the time in to learn and to develop and grow, with time. So hope you guys enjoy it. All right, in today's video, we have the GoPro Hero 9. I was looking forward to this video. It's my first GoPro, personally, and I'm really looking forward to using this when I get my e-bike that I ordered. Waiting on that delivery. But definitely want to take some action videos, riding the bike and just, in general, just getting around. Looking forward to using this. Okay, this is 4K 30 linear on the GoPro Hero 9 here in Central Park. Beautiful day today. Tell me what you think. 4K 30 frames per second linear mode on the GoPro Hero 9. Alright, this is 4K 30 on the GoPro Hero 9 with the Freewell ND filter, the ND16 filter. Got the doggies here. Alright. Tell me what you think. This is 4K 30 on the GoPro Hero 9. 4K 30 linear. Tell me what you think. ND16 filter. Alright, this is 4K 30 on the GoPro Hero 9 linear with the ND32 filter. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. This is the GoPro Hero 9 4K 30 frames per second linear mode with the ND32 filter. Okay, this is 1080p 30 linear with the GoPro Hero 9 and the ND32 filter, the Freewell ND32 filter. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Let me move over here before that guy thinks I'm looking at his girlfriend.
You can get in trouble with these GoPros. Just a note for everybody. And I'm right next to my wife, so I get in trouble with the guy thinking I'm looking at his girlfriend, and my wife sitting next to me. So be careful with your GoPros, people. Keep it professional. Okay, this is the GoPro Hero 9, 1080p, 30 frames per second, linear, with the ND8 Freewell ND filter. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. This is the ND8 filter, so this is not, this is the lowest ND filter in the 4-pack that I have for the Freewell day set. This is 4K, 30 frames, linear, GoPro Hero 9, Freewell ND filter, ND8 filter. Let me know what you think.
All right, so I really enjoyed shooting with the GoPro Hero 9 today. It's definitely a very capable little camera, action camera. It was a beautiful day here in New York City. Went to Central Park. Beautiful April spring day. It was 70 degrees today, so it's great to shoot footage with the GoPro Hero 9 and to try out the various ND filters that I bought with the Freewell standard 4-day pack. Definitely recommend the GoPro Hero 9. I mean, it's a really capable little action camera. I mean, it shoots up to 5K, even though I had issues playing the 5K on my computer. But I mean, I shot in 4K, I shot in 1080. It looks great. It has a very wide angle, wide view. You can actually use it to vlog, you know, like, I mean, it's pretty impressive, the capabilities. So if you consider, you know, vlogging instead of using a smartphone, which you could also use a smartphone, but it's great for a vlog. You know, you have the camera. It has two cameras, one in the front, or viewfinders. You have one in the back and one in the front. So you could see yourself just like the smartphone right here that I'm looking at myself. Um, you know, you can vlog. It's really cool, really nice, very good quality. Highly recommend it. And the ND filters was pretty good too. Today wasn't the sunniest day, so I think the ND8 filter was the best option. But I definitely highly recommend the GoPro Hero 9 and the Freewell ND filters. And full disclaimer, I am including affiliate links in the description below. They are my Amazon links. If you do decide to buy through those links, the GoPro Hero 9 or the ND filters, I will get a small commission, and I will take those profits and reinvest it back into the channel to help it grow. So I hope this helps you. Looking to make more content on this channel to help people that are interested in becoming content creators, you know, starting your own YouTube channel. I've recently done that myself. I'm just getting started, and I do have a lot of plans to come out with a lot of different content that can help, you know, aspiring content creators to do the same, you know, and to grow. Hope you like the comment. Hope you like the content. If you have any, you want to leave any remarks, leave your comments below. What you liked, what you didn't like, and definitely let me know if you have any ideas for any future content that you would like me to make for you guys. Okay, so enjoy. It was fun making these videos, and look forward to the next one. Take care. Peace.